Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We got to go up to an apartment building today, and we got to look at a kitchen sink that's plugged up. Let's see what we find. So we're gonna do that. This weekend I'm on call, yeah. You?
Yep.
One. Yeah? Are you going away or just sticking around? Or? I know, right? Oh, really? See, that sucks. Eh? It's like. Yeah, well, that's it, right? Take that extra pay or whatever. Yep. This is the new snake. Battery powered.
Not so much. Oh, it's light, right?
It's not bad, right? Yeah. And the other snake, everything's internal now.
Mm-hmm.
The other snake, it would spray water.
Oh.
Because the barrel spin.
Yeah, yeah.
This, the barrel doesn't spin. It's inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's an auto feed as well. So like, as long as I know that I'm down the stack, you can lock this in. And it's feeding itself in, right? Now it's bringing it out by itself. At least it was. I think you gotta have so much in the barrel. Probably just grease. What do you think? Think it's good, or?
Should be good.
Or do we gotta get the big snake?
Okay, it's running.
I think it looks good.
Yep.
All right, guys, so we snaked the drain. Everything's running good now. You've seen the water go down fine. The superintendent didn't really want to be on camera, so I didn't really want to be bugging him while I was explaining what was happening. I used the Milwaukee drain snake, the M18 drain snake, with the 25-foot cable, and it was a 1/4-inch cable. Yeah, everything went really well. It's an auto feed, and yeah, so until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.